What's in my fridge? Don't even know. I need more oil in my fridge. Shut up. Okay, what's in my fridge? A lack of good lighting, which is probably good because I look like shit. It is about 5 o'clock in the morning. I didn't bother, I'm in my pyjamas. Okay, but what have I got in my fridge? Okay, an old thing of forest fruit juice, cream soda, which I bought this in an effort to find something that tasted a little bit like Materva, because while I was in America I tasted Materva and I really liked it. I have found the closest we have to Materva in England is in fact dandelion and burdock, not cream soda, but cream soda reminds me of summers when I was a child. Ice cream sodas. Okay, I have red currant jelly, which goes with roast lamb when I make that. I have applesauce, which goes with pork when I make that. I have strawberry jam. I have bacon, which is part of my food plans for the week. I have more juice. I have juice, apple, blah, 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 blah. I've got 4 things of juice. I've got an old carcass of chicken, which I will now throw away because that was from last week. Cottage cheese, 11th of June. Oh shit. That too. More applesauce. Aha! I have some Yates and Jackson Danny Lanks bitter. It's not a popular brand. I bought this for gravy. And because I am a bitter woman. No, I'm not. I'm not a bitter woman at all, really. It's just I can't resist the pun. I have Marmite. I love Marmite. You Australians, I'm not convinced Vegemite is tougher than Marmite. Bring it on. More jam. There's some old May. No. That was some old yogurt. This is great. I'm clearing my fridge out. Smooth peanut butter. Mushrooms. Cheese, which my daughter bought. So she bought Welsh mild cheddar, which I am assuming tastes of absolutely nothing. But it's okay. She cooked the dinner tonight. I can't complain. The remnants of birthday cake for my niece's birthday when my mum went down south. They live down south, and yeah, I think that needed binning too. What else have I got? You'd better believe it isn't butter. And some peaches. One less peach. Some kind of, oh, God, that needs thrown out badly. That needed thrown out so badly that I can't even just chuck it in the fridge. Some old mushrooms. Oh, Jesus Christ. Do you know what? These days, in this economy, a mushroom costs about 50 pence each, and I can't believe I'm letting them go off in my fridge. An onion. 1 carrot. Let me just throw out the packaging. Can you believe all the packaging of shit? Some apples. Cherry tomatoes. Juice. Milk. Tomato puree. Eggs. Respectful eggs. They call you in the morning. Mango chutney, ketchup, and Branston pickle. And that's pretty much, apart from the drips and spills and shit which you never want to admit to in your fridge. Apart from that, and this little kind of Avanca butter, that's what's in my fridge. I can't believe I'm up at this time in the morning. thank you for not judging me.